Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to delete files from Google Drive permanently. So, let's dive right in. Once you permanently delete a file from Google Drive, it's gone for good. There's no getting it back. Make sure you absolutely don't need the file before proceeding. Open your web browser and head to drive.google.com. Sign into your Google account if needed. Locate the files you want to delete permanently. You can browse folders or use the search bar. Select the files by clicking on them once. They'll turn blue. Look for the trash can icon in the toolbar at the top of the window. Click on it. This will move the files to your trash bin. Files in your trash bin aren't permanently deleted yet. They'll stay there for 30 days, just in case you change your mind. To permanently erase them, we need to empty the trash. Click on Trash in the menu on the left side of the screen. In the trash bin, you'll see all the files you've recently deleted. To permanently delete everything in your trash, click the Empty Trash button at the top right corner. Alternatively, click on the desired file and then click on the trash icon. A confirmation window will pop up. Google will warn you that this action is permanent. Click Delete Forever to confirm, and there you have it. By using this method, you can delete files from Google Drive permanently. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.